AI is changing everything, from how businesses make decisions to how machines understand language and images. But here's the truth nobody talks about. AI can't work without data mining. It's the process of digging through raw data to find the patterns that make AI smart. This video course is Introductory Data Mining. The book the material comes from is Data Rookies, Data Mining Basics, available from Data Analytics Curriculum LLC and can be direct downloaded from the website. In addition, there are supplements and lab exercises for download. Chapter 3: Data Preprocessing. Data preprocessing. Essential step to prepare data for mining. Involves data wrangling, cleaning, modifying, restructuring. Data preprocessing is the second of the 5 major steps in data mining. Welcome to Lesson 3-3, Data Restructuring. Now that we've covered data cleaning and modification, the next step is learning how to reshape or reorganize data for analysis. Data restructuring helps you change how data is stored and presented so you can get insights more efficiently. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand what data restructuring means, change data formats such as converting a data frame to a tibble, switch between long and wide data formats, create summary tables with counts or averages, join datasets to add new information, and make smaller datasets by selecting specific rows or columns. What is data restructuring? Data restructuring involves performing operations on entire datasets, not just fixing individual values. It goes beyond cleaning and modification. It can include changing data types, summarizing information, or selecting parts of a dataset to focus your analysis. Changing data formats. One example of restructuring is changing the data format. In R, this might mean converting a data frame into a tibble using the tidyverse package. Tibbles behave similarly to data frames but have some advantages, like clearer printing and better handling of large data. In Excel, you might convert a worksheet into a formal table so formulas and filters work more consistently. Long versus wide data formats. Another common restructuring task is switching between long and wide data formats. In a long format, repeated measurements such as years or months are stacked vertically in a single column. In a wide format, each of those same measurements appears as a separate column across the spreadsheet. For example, test scores from 2021, 2022, and 2023 could either be 3 rows in a long format or 3 columns in a wide format. Different tools require different layouts, so it's important to know how to reshape your data when needed. Programs like SPSS or certain R functions often need a specific structure to work properly. Creating summary tables. You can also restructure data by creating summary tables. Summary tables condense your data into counts, averages, or totals. For instance, instead of listing every student's record, you might count how many students are in each class level. This simplifies your dataset and helps you quickly see patterns or trends. Joining datasets. Another powerful restructuring step is joining datasets. This means combining 2 or more datasets based on a shared key, such as a zip code or an ID number. Joining allows you to enrich your data by adding more context. For example, if you have a dataset of schools, you could join it with a population dataset using zip codes to include demographic information. Creating smaller datasets. Sometimes, restructuring means creating smaller, more focused datasets. You might select only certain rows or columns to make your work more manageable. For example, you could filter a large dataset to include only individuals over 65 years old or select only the columns relevant to income and education. Smaller subsets make analysis faster and clearer while keeping your focus on the variables that matter most. In summary, data restructuring changes how data is shaped and organized so you can analyze it effectively. It includes everything from changing formats and summarizing data to joining multiple sources and subsetting for specific analyses. Together, cleaning, modifying, and restructuring form the foundation of preparing any dataset for deeper exploration. That concludes Lesson 3-3, Data Restructuring. Remember, the book and supplemental resources are available online at Data Analytics Curriculum's website.